वेलकम टू द हाउस ऑफ लिब्रा। आज हमने लिब्रा का मल्टी मेकर और मिक्सर ग्राइंडर यूज करके सुपर टेस्टी एंड हेल्दी मखना डोसा एंड टमाटर की चटनी बनाई है।
Let us prepare the batter of dosa first. We will take poha, suji and makhana, and to it we will add half a cup of dahi and mix it well. We will keep aside this mixture for 20 minutes. जब तक ये बैटर रेडी हो रहा है, let us prepare टमाटर की चटनी. I have taken few tomatoes and garlic, chop them. हम लोग लिब्रा के कमर्शियल मिक्सर ग्राइंडर में इसको चर्न कर लेंगे. We will add few red chilies, little bit of sugar and salt to taste. You can have this chutney as it is, or you can have some South Indian tadka also. Hope you enjoyed using our products. Now, these makhanas are ready. Let's add some water to it and make a smooth paste out of it in commercial blender. Let's chop some vegetables of our own choice to put it on dosa. Now to batter, add some salt and at last add some fruit salt. Mix them well. Preheat Libra Multimaker to get the best results. Spray a little bit of oil and now it is ready to cook our dosa. Subscribe our channel where we will share more and more creative and easy to cook recipes on regular basis. I hope you love using our products.